If you want to become an expert in browser automation using Playwright, then knowing how to download files programmatically is a must. In this video, I will show you how to use Playwright to download a file in Python. To demonstrate, I will download the 8K form as an Excel file from Matterport website. Create a blank Python file. For the import statement, import time and sync Playwright from playwright.sync API. To download a file, create a function called onDownload with two arguments, download and file name. The download argument is a page event object triggered when a file starts downloading. And the file name argument will be the file path where the file will be saved. Inside the function, print a message when download starts, along with the download URL. To download the file from the download argument, use the save as method and pass the file path. Then print a message where the file is saved. Now create a Playwright instance. From Playwright, launch a browser. Make sure you set headers to false to display the browser. From the browser, create a new page and set JavaScript enabled to true. To initialize file download, we need to set up a listener for the download event. From the page object, we can use the on method to specify the event we want to handle. In this case, we want to track the download event. And if the download event is triggered, which will receive the event object, run the onDownload function, and pass the event object and file path to the arguments. Then navigate the page where the download link is presented. Wait 1 second. Then click on the element containing the download link. When the download link is clicked, the download event will get triggered and the onDownload function will be called. Wait up to 5 seconds to ensure download is finished. Then we can close the page, browser, and Playwright instance. Now run the script. And Playwright will open the browser. Navigate to the target page. Click the download link and download the file to the target location. And that's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found this video useful. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.